Okay, so this is my chicken coop that I've built. So I've built it out of an apple box, as you can see here. Apple boxes the farmers use, put in apples and whatever else. I just took that base and just extend it a bit and put on a roof and obviously a nest box. So there, oh, there's actually eggs, and I did not put them there. So yeah, that is that. And then the feeders, it works perfectly. Throw the dry feed in here. You can throw two different kinds. Goes down here. Come on, chickens. And they eat it in there, as you can see. Yeah. Right, and then inside I've got the door. I've got the little plank. They had to learn how to walk up there. There's the inside with some straw. There's actually an egg there as well. Oh, there you go. Look at you. They were battery hens. So I had to teach them how to do things. So this is the coop with the run. And then I have an extra run here. That's separated. See, if I want to work here, I can just close them off in there. Yeah, so that's pretty much how this is.